बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सीएसएस एंड पीएमएस स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप जनरल नॉलेज के पेपर की तैयारी करने जा रहे हैं और मार्केट से अवेलेबल जितनी भी बुक्स हैं वो आप लेके पढ़ रहे हैं, तो ये वीडियो ख़ास आपके लिए है, क्योंकि हमने इसमें तमाम वो बुक्स जितनी भी मार्केट में हैं उनके अंदर जितने भी एमसीक्यूज़ हैं उनको हमने एक प्रेजेंटेशन की सूरत में, एक आपको लेक्चर की सूरत में डिलीवर करने की कोशिश की है। उम्मीद है कि आपका आधा घंटा 10 मिनट आप इसको सुन लें, उसके बाद आप ये फ़ैसला कीजिएगा कि जितनी भी बुक्स हैं ये आपको जो है ना वो उसके मुकाबले में ज़्यादा बेहतर इंशाल्लाह साबित होगी। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का हमारा ये लेक्चर। पास्ट पेपर के जितने भी जनरल नॉलेज हैं उस सब में जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आ चुके हैं उन सब को हमने प्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश की है। उन सब को हमने एक लेक्चर की सूरत में, एक रिवीजन की सूरत में आपके लिए पेश किया है। तो इससे क्या होगा कि एक तो आपकी तैयारी अच्छी होगी, साथ साथ आप जो है ना बहुत अच्छे से डिलीवर भी कर सकेंगे आगे। तो चले शुरू करते हैं। शिकवा एंड जवाब शिकवा आर पोएम्स ऑफ अल्लामा इकबाल इन हिज बुक बांगे दरा। तो आगे है, हु कॉइंड द नेम ऑफ ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग, नवाब सलीमुल्लाह खान। थ्रू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मीडिया डज साउंड ट्रैवल फास्टर? साउंड ट्रैवल फास्टर थ्रू solids. Here it is a option steel. Who was the first elected president of Pakistan? First elected president of Pakistan is Iskandar Mirza, but Zafrullah Khan is incorrectly used. Here Zafrullah Khan is the incorrect answer, but the specific answer, but the correct answer is Iskandar Mirza. Iskandar Mirza is the first elected president of Pakistan. However, Zafrullah Khan was a prominent figure in the early years of Pakistan. पाकिस्तान के इब्तदाई सालों में ज़फ़रुल्लाह खान जो है ना वो बहुत एक अहम फिगर थे, अहम शख्सियत थे। हायर एजुकेशन कमीशन HEC was established in September 2002. Its current chairman is Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed. Memoirs is an autobiography. Memoir autobiography को कहते हैं memoirs। तो मेमोर्स एक बुक है जो रिचर्ड निक्सन की एक बुक है। रिचर्ड निक्सन की ऑटोबायोग्राफी है आर एंड द मेमोर्स ऑफ रिचर्ड निक्सन, ये बुक का पूरा नाम है। अगर हम बात करें मैकबथ ड्रामे की तो ये लिखा था शेक्सपियर ने। देयर इज़ नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन इन इस्लाम इज़ अ वर्स ऑफ सूरह बकरा। बैटल ऑफ प्लेसी वॉज फाउंड बिटवीन सिराजुद्दौला एंड लॉर्ड क्लाइव। फाउंडेशन ऑफ मुस्लिम लीग वॉज एट ढाका। Durand Line Treaty was signed in 1893 by British civil servant Durand and King of Afghanistan Abdur Rahman. Lion's share of UNO budget is being spent on peace. America's Greater Middle East Initiative Plan is for the purpose of democracy. Tsunami hit 12 countries on 26 December 2004. Its epicenter was in Sumatra. Which Muslim country has the lowest per capita income? Somalia has the lowest per capita income. First country which passed currency notes in the world. China is the first country who issued first currency notes in the world. Spratly Islands are disputed between China and Vietnam, Malaysia and Philippines. Al Hilal newspaper is associated with Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Is written by Stephen Philip Cohen. Hanki Head Works is situated on the river Chenab. Braille education system was introduced by Louis Braille for blinds. Ghulam Muhammad Biraj is also called Kotri Biraj. Kremlin is a fortress where there are government offices, palaces and churches. It is in Russia. Which month of Hindi calendar is called Brother of March? Chet. Capital of Taiwan is Taipei. Olympic air balloons to which country? Greece. Olympic air belongs to which country? Greece. Bosphorus Strait connects the Black Sea with Marmara Sea. Abel Tasman discovered the country New Zealand. Which is the longest river in Asia? Yangtze. ATM is abbreviation of automated teller machine. Which country is called the playground of Europe? Switzerland. Naira is the currency of Nigeria. Second largest ethnic group in Afghanistan after Pashtun is Tajik. Shintoism is mostly followed in which of the following countries? Japan. Who is the author of book Clash of Civilization? Samuel Huntington. Which is the oldest human rights organization in the world? Anti-Slavery International. What is the magnitude of earthquake on Richter scale that hit Pakistan in October 2005? 7.6 on Richter scale. Which countries sent most paramedical aid to Pakistan after the 2005 earthquake? Cuba. Largest producer of solar energy in the world is USA, who came to Pakistan after earthquake as a special representative of UNO's earthquake relief, Kofi Annan. Which country's constitution is not written in form? United Kingdom's constitution. Who is Holocaust? What is Holocaust? Killing of Jews during World War II. Antara is the news agency of Indonesia. Word tsunami belongs to language Japanese. UNO declared the decade 2005 to 2014 as the decade of eradication of poverty. Novel War and Peace was written by Leo Tolstoy. Where was Babri Mosque situated? Ayodhya. Gandhara civilization was situated between river Jhelum and Kabul. Main cause of 2005 riots in France was death of two foreigners. Which is the second biggest natural gas field of Pakistan? Qadarpur, Sindh. Who is the president of USA during First World War? Woodrow Wilson. Country that has largest army in the world? China. English poet who died in his young age? John Keats. Paradise Lost was written by John Milton. Which disease is most common in males and than females? Color blindness. Who is the most famous brand of the world? Beverage blend, Coca-Cola. Archipelago is a cluster of islands. Who discovered the law of gravitation? Sir Isaac Newton. Florence Nightingale was a nurse, the president of USA who were killed during his term in office. J.F. Kennedy and Abraham Lincoln. According to new research, the world's oldest disease is leprosy. In which continent there is no glacier? Australia. Who was the first president of Pakistan Muslim League? Sarahan II. Center of Tamil tiger of Sri Lanka is Jaffna. Etymology is the study of words. Which is the oldest organization of the world? Commonwealth. Who is called the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Where days and nights are equal all the year? Nairobi equator. Where Jhelum and Chenab rivers meet? Trimo. Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea are connected by Suez Canal. Which crop is longest according to period between cultivation and harvest? Sugarcane. Silicon Valley is famous for computers. Which is the biggest search engine on internet? Google. Furaha Dam on river Ganges is disputed between India and Bangladesh. Which is biggest bird in the world? Ostrich. The writer of book Haki Shadows, K.M. Arif. Which dam is constructed by India under violation of Indus Water Treaty? Baglihar Dam. What is meant by causeway? A raised path. Which country consumed largest quantity of coal in the world? China. The Night Watch paintings belongs to Rembrandt van Rijn. Rembrandt van Rijn. Van Rijn. Rembrandt van Rijn. Rembrandt van Rijn. Rijn. Rembrandt van Rijn. Headquarters of Freedom House is situated in Washington. Harappa city is situated on the bank of river Ravi. Bismarck was a great leader and statesman of Germany. First Muslim who won the Nobel Prize, Anwar Sadat, which day is observed on 15th May every year, Families Day. Kigali is the capital of Rwanda, which is the largest contributor of UNO budget, USA. Subakzai Dam is being constructed under WAPDA Vision 2025 in Balochistan. Oldest anthem of the world is Japan. What is Big Ben clock? Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Napoleon Bonaparte was the King of France. Helvetia is the old name of Switzerland. Great Sandy Desert is situated in Australia. Headquarters of World Economic Forum is situated in Geneva, which is the wisest bird in European countries. Owl. What is the largest road tunnel in the world? Lauderdale Tunnel. Lauderdale Tunnel. Lateral Lord Lauderdale Tunnel. Lauderdale Tunnel. Lauderdale Tunnel. The founder of algebra was Al-Khwarizmi. Martin Luther was a founder of Protestant sect. Anemometer is an instrument to measure velocity of wind. Which of the following Russian oil and gas companies provides oil and gas to European countries? Gazprom. Gazprom. Which one of the following planets has maximum number of satellites? Saturn. Which is the largest planet? Jupiter. What was the main reason of disqualification of Ariel Sharon for office of Prime Minister of Israel? Illness. Which of the following vessel carry blood from different parts of the body to heart? Veins. What are the two seas linked by Suez Canal? Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Diego Garcia is a US military base in Indian Ocean, in which European rulers captured Palestine from the Muslims in Crusade War 1099. What is Kremlin? Offices of Russian government. A mass of ice originating in mountains in snowfields above the Sonoline is called glacier. What is diameter of Earth? 12,756 kilometer. What is the freezing point of heavy water? 3.82 degrees centigrade. How many satellites moon are of Saturn planet? 62. Which of the following died of natural death? Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi died of natural death. Were assassinated. They were assassinated. Mahatma Gandhi was also assassinated. What is Ivy League? A group of 8 universities in USA. Every action has reaction which is equal but opposite in direction. This is Newton's third law of motion. Who is the current president of France? 2026 की ये बात है, लेकिन अब जो करंट है वो है फ्रांकोइस हॉलैंड. द करंट प्रेसिडेंट इज़ एमानुअल मैक्रोन. अब 2024-25 की बात करें तो करंट प्रेसिडेंट है एमानुअल मैक्रोन. 2006 का था फ्रांकोइस हॉलैंड. 2024-25 की बात करें तो करंट प्रेसिडेंट है एमानुअल मैक्रोन. First ambassador of Pakistan to UNO was Ahmad Shah Patras Bukhari. Which of the following countries is not the member of G8? China is not the member of G8. Hepatitis is a viral disease of liver. Taliban's movement started in 1994 with the city of Afghanistan, Kandahar. Which city of Iran and Pakistan are linked through railway line? Quetta, Zehdan. Haifa is seaport of Israel. Headquarter of UNESCO is located in Paris. What is the main cause of earthquake? Tectonic plates movement. The term digital divide is related with the socio-economic differences. In which year Greenwich Mean Time (GMT) was established? In 1880. Who is the author of book Struggle for Pakistan? I.H. Qureshi. Which is the third founder member of ECO, formerly RCD, except Pakistan and Iran? Turkey. How many zeros are there in 1 trillion? 12 zeros. Who is the first Asian to receive Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore, first Asian to receive Nobel Prize. What is the present name of a place where World Trade Center USA was located? Ground Zero. The 10th conference of ECO was held in 2008 in Pakistan. What is meant by amico curiae? A person invited to advise a lower court on a matter of law in a case jurist. एक jurist होता है, a person होता है जो कि invite किया जाता है lower case के मैटर पर एक कोर्ट में. What is nuclear fission? Atom splits into two masses. Muslim people of Xinjiang province are called Uyghur. A group in Christianity that emphasize the authority of the Bible and importance of personal salvation through faith is called evangelical. Litani River is located in which country? Lebanon. Japanese art of flower arrangement is called ikebana. Litani River is located in Lebanon. Gestapo was a secret police organization of Germany. Pakistan national floral symbol of Pakistan is jasmine, that is called chambeli. Diabetes is a disease of pancreas. Which of the following are primary colors? Primary colors are three. They are red, blue, and green. Which of the following wonders of the world is situated in Iraq? The wonder of the world that is situated in Iraq is Hanging Gardens. What is the main cause of failure of Pakistan India Iran gas pipeline project? The main cause was economic and political pressure of USA. What is Paria state? Paria state is a state which is not acceptable to the world and is avoided by every country. The term track to diplomacy is used for managing relations between two countries using unofficial channels. Which is the oldest stock exchange in the world? Amsterdam Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange in the world. State Bank of Pakistan started working on 1st July 1948 with the help of rupees 30 million. Al Hilal newspaper is associated with Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, who was the president of USA during World War I. During World War I, the president was Woodrow Wilson. Which of the following inventions is the oldest? Clock is the oldest invention. What is the Holocaust? Killing of Jews during World War II is called Holocaust. E is equal to mc square. Here c is the velocity of light. Myopia is a defect of vision of close objects. Who is called the father of modern psychology? Sigmund Freud, father of modern psychology. Who was the first chief minister of Punjab province? Nawab Iftikhar Hussain Mahmud. French Muslim football star Zidane by birth belongs to which Muslim country? Football star Zidane is a Muslim footballer. It belongs to Algeria. What is choreography? Choreography is the art of dancing. Doctrine of necessity was used in Maulvi Tamizuddin versus state case for the first time in the history of Pakistan. AWACS, AWACS is the abbreviation of Airborne Warning and Control System. Where is Golden Gate situated? Golden Gate is situated in San Francisco, US. A writ direct to the person detaining another and commanding him to produce the body of the prisoner at the certain time and place with the day and cause of his capture and detention is called writ of habeas corpus. When the stock market is falling down is called bearish. Bearish is the condition of the stock market when the stock market is falling down. Which of the following rivers crosses the equator twice? Congo River is the river that crosses the equator twice. The headquarters of Asian Development Bank (ADB) is located in Manila. Night blindness is caused by the lack of vitamin A. Vitamin A is the vitamin that is necessary for the eyes. Who is the conqueror of Central Asia? Qutaiba bin Muhammad. Qutaiba bin Muhammad is the conqueror of Central Asia. That's it. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये आपके CSS और PMS का पहला लेक्चर, और साथ अगर आपको इनके नोट्स चाहिए तो आप मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। मैं अपने बायो में और मैं नीचे कमेंट्स में जो है ना फेसबुक पेज का हवाला भी दे रहा हूँ, और साथ अपने फ़ोन नंबर भी लिख रहा हूँ, और आप मुझे इस पर मैसेज भी कर सकते हैं, और अगर नोट्स चाहिए तो मुझसे कॉन्टैक्ट भी कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।